Hello.
What? They will deport him back? Back to Sudan? Seriously? Then we have to inform him immediately before the police comes. But that's in 10 minutes. Hello? Hello? Oh my phone.
Then I changed
Excuse
my
me.
mind.
Excuse me.
Yeah,
It's
and
urgent.
I want to help them, you know?
Urgent. It's urgent. It's urgent.
Oh Jesus, somebody's bothering me. Oh, sorry. And anyhow, so what were you thinking of what to wear? I couldn't buy the red ones
Anna?
because my friend has them. Yeah, somebody's bothering
Anna?
me.
Is that you?
Hi, yeah, hi. Sorry, somebody recognized me.
You know the grammar school.
You cannot just change your mind every time, you know? You just
Look, 5 euros for a phone call.
wait. For 10, I give you.
Look. Wanna say?
Hey, girl, what happened? Peace, hey, Rastafari, peace and love, hey.
Hey, it's you. What are you doing here? The police is searching for you.
Police, thank you.